Hi and welcome back to the channel. This video is specifically for the tire pressure monitoring system. I bought it on AliExpress for I think 13 euros. It's ridiculous and above all it works perfect. I will show you everything, so let's get into the video.
Excuse me, may I go to the bathroom first?
When the package arrives, there are 4 things in it. The system receiver that you put on your steering wheel, 2 valves, one for the front wheel and one for the back wheel, and 1 support to put it on your steering wheel. So let's take a closer look. So this is the receiver. It's not a touchscreen, but there are 2 buttons on the right side. This button is to turn the receiver off, like this. This is to turn on the receiver, or so, after 3 seconds. Once the valves are paired with the receiver, each time you ignite the receiver, the pressure of the tires is immediately visible. In the middle you see the time. And here, I don't know if you can see because it is yellow and there is a lot of sunshine. So there is in yellow the temperature of the tire. The rear tire is now 15 degrees, the front tire 11 degrees. I have 2 bars on the front tire and 2.9 on the back tire. This is the receiver with the support. The support is made that you can organize it and that it is right and good visible for you as a driver.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
On this button here, if you push 4 or 5 seconds, you go into the menu where you can set the preferred tire pressures and all the alarms, and also of course choose between PSI and bar and Celsius or Fahrenheit. I'm living in Europe, so it is bar and Celsius. So it's a little menu. It's very simple, not so complicated, and when you are through, it comes back to the original screen. Which is also fantastic is that if the bike doesn't move for, let's say, 5 minutes, it's automatically go into sleep mode, and then you don't have to turn off. Let's say you do a trip of several days, you don't have to put it on or off all that time. When the bike is standing still, it will go in sleep mode. The moment you touch the handlebars or the steering wheel or the key and the ignition, it turns on. Let me show you the pressure valve.
What is this?
It's this, I will say, little thing, but it's not little. It's not little, eh? It's big. But there is some technology in, and also a little battery. From the instructions manual, normally the battery has to work for 2 years. Just the moment you put that on, let's say 2 minutes later, the pressure on the tire, on the display, occurs. So it's very, very, very simple. You see this nut? This is the one you have to screw down, so this is now steady and does not rumble off while you're riding. So you have this one in the front. And this one in the back.
Is this true? Yes, it's true.
The one in the back is a little bit more difficult to put on because the wheel is smaller. You have the chain, the rear disc. But anyway, good stuff and very cheap. So a tire pressure monitoring system. One thing I forgot, if you have a tire with a puncture in it and it is losing pressure at a certain level that you can put into the menu, there will go an alarm off with a beep and the display will flash red. The whole display will flash red. So very clever thinking. And so I can advise that to everyone. I will put the link in the description. And if you have questions, just let me know in the descriptions. And I see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Maybe you want to see more about Himalayan 450? Let it know in the comments. You can also give this video a like or subscribe to the channel. That helps a lot. And yeah, Himalayan 450, mostly on asphalt and from time to time something stupid.
Oh yeah, you can milk anything with nipples. I have nipples, Greg.
Thank you very much and see you in the next one.